Here we come to the elevator at Old Main. This is a US elevator with square buttons.
I like the click.
Yeah, it's a square button from the 70s or the 80s.
Classic office too.
Yeah, no bell. No lantern. Let's go down to 1. No door closed. No indicator. Capacity 3,000 pounds. Here we are on 1. Classic leveling. Let's go up to 2. Here we go. Hydraulic. This is awesome. Epic motor. US elevator. Subsidiary of Cubic Corporation. Let's go on another ride. Back down. Yeah. Subsidiary of Cubic Corporation.
With leveling.
Leveling. Let's go up to 2 again. Door closes, not close when work when you push the button. Here we go. GAL interlock. This is, can't really see up the shaft. Electronic door sensor, and here it goes. And that's it.